lang baka jalaw kanat ki sangmau lapan pawi ka jing kemen madyoi baka jing pentere ya ka William Nagar Urban Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 kalayad shad ya ka niu lapan pawa ka jing le jurub jong u ha ka jing lang menteri ka tanat PHU Marcus Marang ubla longru u MLA ka constituency nang tau commissioner and secretary u CPHU bat kiwe banchingo bat bisha rikikam jong ka jing te ya ka ni ka project Haka jing le jurub menteri rang baloi iba kani ke projek la yad shaprang baru ki kam jing te kila nang yad shakmat baru pen pau ya ke jing milinti ba anla pan penda purano shen ya kani ke jing trei ulo ongro bahadien kani la kmilinti bada ke jing trei shitam ansala ban mang pisa pan ka benta ke second phase bad ki pat pa ke Sir William Nagar kindap pan penan kam ya ko
Yede, Ambano, this will become a tourism attraction also. Yes. If you open up a restaurant.
Mani jaro Vera.
Under phase 1 से क्या वार्ड लिखिसन फोकस पे वार्ड कॉलोनी वार्ड कोरोना इशू कॉलोनी एक्चुअली मॉल वो साइड लिखा तो phase 2 से वो नदी membership तुम एरिया नंबर और वो आप
Gupin, you can record this also. Yes. The map po semang ya dumag sini William Nagar Urban Water Supply Scheme ni map po dalo na matninga. Yan ang mga sa po nga dyan, ang pasinga daw, yan actually main intake point or source one. Nigaman dalo, ya area ko ba main Europe na naminga. Yan actually catchment area niya karang magwala nito dyan. Nigaman, ya ko sukat na government baksa, department baksa, ya area ni mandarang ni support ko ba sa nangkin. Bunga ni ko sa nangkin. Nigaman public baksa, Akramesa, ya kaba kuch ka namin sa kata magin. Aro yano, may nakpa chulsi, aro may nakpa kamsi, aro kuch sukat na magin. Singa public baksa kampa na ready. Kung naman nangan marang ko ba, aro yung ni public ko ba munas ka, ansin namin, bonge, jila ko de, ya water supply scheme ba, namin future na ba sa siyang kinunggit. Aro, ni usap ko, ya area ni mandirang na ba, tang ansin nang kitang manin solong ko. Aro jira ko na mini culture tamakit aro ya source ko jud protect tamakit yani gaman ba intang mansan chancie kam kaun so we have come along with the PHE minister and our commissioner secretary CE and other officials of the PHE department to review and to visit the site of the William Nagar Urban Water Supply Scheme first phase. And as you can see, the project is in very advanced stage and all the different components construction is going on and we expect this to be completed very soon. And after that we are also expecting and working hard to get the sanction for the second phase so that the entire project can be completed and people in William Nagar town can get sufficient water. This will be providing about 15 MLD, that's million liters per day, with the provision to expand after 15 years, 20 years, if it's required, up to 20 million liters a day. So we are hopeful that this should be able to take care of the water needs for at least the next 30 to 40 years for William Nagar. So it's a very long-term plan and we're very happy to see the work progress and must congratulate the Honorable Minister, who's also the local MLA, as well as the entire team of PHE led by the CE for the wonderful work that they're doing.